The STEAM project has been working with TECHNATION for 5 years now, bringing students from colleges and universities in a variety of STEAM programs into a place, working together with hundreds of other people to deliver a summer program for kids that gives them hands-on experience, teaches them science, design, and all kinds of technologies, robotics, electronics, woodworking. I want to share with you the words of the staff who have joined us and let them tell you more about what they get out of their experience at the STEAM project.
Hi, my name is Caitlin.
My name is Carissa.
My name is Vanan.
My name is Mauro.
My name is Jason.
My name is Sonia.
My name is Jackie.
Being an instructor is a lot of fun. Before camp started, I got to go to the makerspace a little earlier and get to prototype and design a bunch of the projects that I'm now seeing the kids build.
We had the ability to work with a lot of different types of equipment, like laser cuts, 3D prints, and all sorts of different tools there.
I'm typically designing projects for our coding and robotics programs for kids 9 to 12 to teach them about the fundamentals in programming, circuitry.
A lot of other times I'm working on instructing programs.
My role is to support all the programs in getting the activities made. So for example, like 3D printing and laser cutting the projects.
I've also worked on this police car that is powered by microbit. This was really fun because the kids got to learn about LED lights, they got to learn about the light sensor, and I got to learn a bit more about circuitry myself and resistors.
So technical or hard skills, definitely with the battle bots, I learned a lot about transmission with NRF chips.
I had to kind of reverse engineer how I would program something to make it much simpler. And so that kind of enhanced my coding skills.
Working with kids has really helped me consider the big picture when I'm designing things and making sure that I'm accounting for all parts of our students' experiences when I'm designing a program or a project or a curriculum or something like that.
I feel like I learned a lot about how much I enjoy helping people and teaching kids.
They'll come in, they'll draw something while they're waiting for class to start, and then at the very end they'll come up to me and be like, Miss Sonia, I have a project for you, and they'll give me the picture that they made, and it's really, really cute.
Full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead.
Full steam ahead.